Have you ever wondered how cassava roots become the golden Garri eaten by millions every day? What seems like a simple food actually goes through an incredible industrial journey involving powerful machines, skilled workers, and carefully controlled quality standards. Today, we're taking you inside a modern cassava processing factory to see exactly how Garri is made, from farm to final package. The journey begins long before the factory. Cassava plants spend months growing underground before they are ready for harvest. Hidden beneath the soil are thick, starchy roots that store the nutrients needed for processing. When the crop reaches maturity, workers harvest the roots and prepare them for transportation. Because cassava begins to deteriorate soon after harvest, speed is essential. Within hours, truckloads of fresh cassava are transported to a modern processing facility capable of handling thousands of kilograms every day. And once they arrive, the transformation begins. Fresh cassava is covered in soil, sand, and field debris collected during harvesting. Before processing can start, every root must be thoroughly cleaned. Large industrial washing systems use rotating drums and powerful water jets to remove dirt from every surface. The process is continuous, efficient, and designed to handle large volumes without slowing production. Within minutes, muddy roots emerge clean and ready for the next stage. Now the factory removes the outer skin. Specialized peeling machines rapidly strip away the tough exterior while preserving as much of the valuable cassava as possible. As the roots move through the machinery, the bright white interior is revealed. At this point, the cassava looks completely different from when it first arrived at the factory. The peeled roots then move directly into industrial grinding machines. Within seconds, solid roots are transformed into a wet cassava mash. What was once a large root is now a fine material ready for further processing. But the mash contains far too much moisture to become Garri. To remove excess liquid, factories use powerful hydraulic presses. These machines apply tremendous pressure, forcing water out while compacting the remaining material. The result is a dense cassava cake. But it still isn't Garri. Before reaching its final form, the cassava must undergo one of the most important stages in the process: fermentation. Although it may not be the most visually dramatic stage, it plays a crucial role in developing the flavor, aroma, and overall quality of the finished product. During fermentation, natural changes occur within the cassava, helping create the characteristics consumers recognize and enjoy. Once fermentation is complete, the compact material is broken apart again. Industrial granulating equipment transforms it into fine particles. For the first time, the product begins to resemble the familiar texture of Garri. But one final transformation remains: heat. The granules move into large roasting systems where temperature and movement are carefully controlled. This stage requires precision. Too little heat can affect the texture. Too much heat can damage the product. As roasting continues, moisture gradually disappears. The texture becomes lighter. Flavor develops, and the familiar golden color begins to emerge. Slowly but surely, the cassava completes its transformation. This is the moment cassava officially becomes Garri. The golden grains emerging from the roasting process are instantly recognizable. After roasting, the fresh Garri is transferred to cooling systems where excess heat is removed before moving to quality control. Technicians examine texture, appearance, color, consistency, and overall quality to ensure every batch meets factory standards. Only approved batches continue forward. Next comes packaging. Automated systems fill, weigh, seal, and prepare each package for distribution with remarkable speed and precision. Thousands of bags can be processed every single day. The finished products are then moved into warehouses where they are organized and prepared for shipment. From there, they travel to distributors, retailers, markets, and consumers. And that completes an extraordinary journey. What started as roots hidden beneath the soil has passed through harvesting, cleaning, peeling, grinding, pressing, fermentation, granulation, roasting, cooling, inspection, and packaging. A process that combines agriculture, science, engineering, and modern manufacturing. Every grain of Garri represents a remarkable chain of production working behind the scenes. The next time you see a bag of Garri, you'll know exactly what it took to get there. From farm to factory, from cassava to Garri, this is how Garri is made.